So for the non-alcoholic version, you would put a few cranberries in. Also put your rosemary sprig. You're gonna want to put we'll do a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of cranberry juice. You want to muddle your rosemary and your cranberries. We're just going to strain that over ice. And top it with some sparkling water. You can use bottled sparkling water, or if you have a soda stream at home. And then you're just going to take a little sprig of rosemary, and there you go. You have a perfect little holiday non-alcoholic cocktail.